industry, we build outdoors. A friend of mine likens this to, what if you bought your car in a box that comes and sits in the driveway, and then you get a mechanic to put it together? And that's how we build houses. Every single day we build 3 homes in the plant. Then within 3 days of that house is assembled. The package goes out, there are 4 trailers. The basement is already pre-built, of course. And start off the construction at 7 o'clock in the morning, and by between 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock, there's a house up, which windows, doors, insulation, everything. The transportation is the biggest problem, because when you frame a house for 15 days or 20 days with 4 people, you can imagine that 4 or 5 people driving to work and from work back and forth, and at lunchtime they drive to a restaurant to get some food. So hundreds of trips, and it's very wasteful. So it really makes sense to build them indoors and then move the product outside and assemble it in a much shorter time. When you manufacture and you eliminate all that waste, all that transportation, then clearly you bring the cost of housing down. So we create affordability, and you improve the quality substantially, because now you're looking at cutting with a chainsaw, or if they're accurate, with a handsaw, compared to the machine that cuts within 1/5 of a millimeter, essentially. So, and installs it 1/5 of a millimeter. When you build a house that way, you know that every 6 inches there is a nail there. You can count on it, because it's a machine that does it. So, there are a lot of advantages. The biggest misconception is that when you do things that are good for the environment, that they're costly. And it's exactly the opposite. It's a very, very simple concept to grasp, actually. But I always have believed, and I still believe, that human beings, we as human beings, we miss the simple things. Somehow for us, everything has to be complicated to have credit. And a very, very simple concept is that when you eliminate waste, you make money. As simple as that. So if we mitigate, if we spend a lot of money on a factory, but when you walk in our factory and you see that there is these small bins, we built 3 homes and these small bins don't even get filled. Well, what does it mean? We save tons of wood, and we didn't pay for it. So you have to make money, right? My idea here is that if I show it to everybody, and furthermore, as we go along, we can produce numbers, profitability numbers, to other competitors, to entice them to start this process. My hope is that it will catch wildfire and start to go across, the nation and then across the border. Sustainability, of course, full sustainability is our long-term goal, but short-term goal is by 2015 that all our homes will be actually net zero energy, and we are working towards that, and we seem to be actually making headways. We're quite satisfied with the results so far.